The first thing we're going to do is to choose a topic, a quote, and then using stamps or ink pens or something, write a little bit that's inspired by the quote. And then rip up some papers that are color and create little pieces that you might be using or you may not be using in your collage. The next thing that we're going to do, after we've collected parts that we'll be gluing on top, is we're going to pick a color of a tissue paper and glue that onto our surface as a background to get us going. Without worrying too much about a plan, continue gluing down elements, keeping in mind the quote that you're working with. When you're happy with the surface that you've created and the colors you're playing with, and you feel like you're about ready to start putting your quote and your stamped papers onto the canvas, then just begin with that. My quote is "Dream big and dare to fail." And that brought up a childhood memory of people telling me that I would never be an artist. Motion has always been an important part in my life. For me, life is motion and motion is life. And that's why I drew a bicycle with very blurry wheels, because for me, a bicycle is meant to go really fast, speeding down hills. That was criticized by my art teacher, and I was thought to just be messy and lazy.